Hey, I wanted to be here early, so showed up 4 minutes early today. Well, I got it all fixed. So we have 4 minutes here, so as you log on, let me know, say something, say hi. It won't be late like it was last time. Okay? Gotta grab a drink of water. So as you log in, just say hi. Hello? If you just drop it off and yeah, you can just take it up and just set it up there on your desk and leave it up there. All right. Okay. That'd be great then. And are you spraying bugs? Do you have spray? Okay. Okay. Because you gotta keep up with that. I have spray for you if you need it, so. Okay. All right. All right, we'll talk to you later then. All right, bye. Sorry about that. Live and all right, Joey. Did you get the message I sent you? Yes, I did. And Albino, who's that again? And Stormbreaker, is that Eli? Because if it is, I got your homework. Okay. I'm getting messages from other teachers in the elementary, that is. All right, Ethan. Oh, that's right. Kai is Stormbreaker. Okay. I'm just marking attendance, so I want to make sure I get them right. So Stormbreaker, Kai, all you have to do is you can just take a picture of it and text it to me. My number's in the front of your book anyway, so you can just text it to me. You don't have to get fancy with it. You can send it as a message, K through 12. But if it's easier just to text it. Yeah, Maddie, I got your homework. I know I did. Just the other day. I haven't graded it yet, but I do have it. Okay. So we're just making sure who checks in today. All right. So far, I got Joey. He's up. And I've got Albino, Ethan. Okay. And I have Kai, of course, and Maddie. And Emily's here now, and Tate. Good. Emily and Tate. Emily. Okay, and I have okay. Yep, I got your text. So we're good to go. Kai. Yep. I got it, Kai. All right. Anybody else join us yet? We only have 7. Okay. If you joined, type in yes. You got to get rolling because clock started ticking. All right. Luke, you're here. Good, good. I see that. I have my phone right here, so I can stay up with anybody. Oh, Mr. Rosine's here. Minty Machines. Is that? Yeah, that's Eli. Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Bailey, Carter, and Cassidy. Are you here yet? Bailey, Carter, and Cassidy. What up? You're the three I need. Any one of you three? Don't be shy. Say hello. All right. All right. Well, we're going to get started. Oh, there we go. More homework. Wow. So good. It's due by midnight tonight. Okay? Okay. But it's all your homework's due by midnight tonight. And if you just checked in, make sure you sign on. Okay, thanks for letting me know Cassidy might not be here, Joey. Appreciate that. Okay, and if you get in, oh, Bailey's here. Okay, good. So Carter and Cassidy right now. Or did Carter jump in already now? All right, well, whatever. If you did, sign in, say yes, or text me, 206-06-0491. All right, let's get started. First of all, your homework. All you have to do is send it to me on a text, and I've been getting it, or K-12 account, send it, whichever way you want, okay? Just anything you want to do, I'll get but it's due by midnight tonight. So your homework, those two homework sheets, okay? We're going to go to page 430 in your book. You know, that's that book that looked like this. It was like an Algebra 1 book, okay? For you that did not or do not look through your stuff, yeah, we're going to use our books just like normal class. Crazy idea. So if you don't have your calculator, you'll have to find it later, okay? No big thing. Here we go. Here's our book. This is what page we're on. That way, if you need to take a picture of it with your phone, you can follow along at least. All right. So anyway, we're gonna work on multiplication with addition and subtraction. Not hard. It's gonna be fairly easy. And we're on page 430, 430 and 431. Okay, and I'm gonna start with the first problem. And I'm looking for my black marker. Here it is. I found black works better on the board, so we're going that route. Okay, it says 4x, 4x minus 5y equal to 23. And it says 3x plus 10y equal to 31. Now, if you remember, we were working on this before we left. It isn't that hard. We were working on this. All you have to do is either get your x's the same or your y's the same. Now, I noticed that the y's, one is negative and one is positive, and that's what we need. But that doesn't have any variant on it. But one is 5 and one is 10, so that would really be easy to do because all I'd have to do is multiply my top by 2. So I just have to multiply my top number by 2. So I'm going to multiply everything up here by 2, so I get 8x, I get a negative 10y, and I get a positive 46. Okay? And I add them together. I simply add them together, these two here. I took that first one and I multiplied everything by 2, and that's right down here. We add these together, so we get 11x. The 10y minus the 10y, it drops, and it's equal to 77. Divide by 11. So x is equal to 7. And all you do is plug that 7 back up here where you see the x in that very first problem. So we have 4 times 7 minus 5y equal to 23. Okay, so 4 times 7 is 28, minus 5y equal to 23. subtract 28, subtract 28. So negative 5y is equal to a negative 5. Divide by the negative 5. So y is equal to 1. All right? And we did some of this already. We've already did this. We did it. We practiced this prior to leaving. We had just started on it. Okay? So let's do the next problem now. Example number 2. Okay, let me clear this off. Got my stuff right here. The next problem, it says 3a plus 4b equals 2. 3a plus 4b equals 2. And then it has 5a plus 9b equal to 1. Now you got to make a choice. Because both of those are positive numbers. We need one positive and one negative. Which one do we want to work with, A's or B's? If we work with the A's, what does 3 and 5 both go into? Well, 15. So that means we multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by 3. And one of them by a positive and one by a negative. Now, if we're going for the B's, 4 and 9, what number do they both go into? Well, 36. So I'd have to multiply the top by 9 and the bottom by 4. I think I'm going to do the A's. It looks like A's seem a lot easier. So I'm going to multiply the top by 5 and the bottom by a negative 3 because we need one positive and we need one negative. So here we go. So we get 15a plus 20b equal to 10. All I did was take 5 times 3a, which is 15a, 5 times 4b, which is 20b, and 5 times 2, which is 10. Now I'm going to multiply here. So negative 3 times 5 is negative 15a. A negative 3 times 9 is negative 27b. And a negative 3 times 1 is a negative 3. Okay. 15 minus 15 is 0. 20 minus 27 is a negative 7b. Equal to 10 minus 3, which is 7. Divide by a negative 7. So b is a negative 1. Plug it back in to that first equation. Right there. We just plug it right back in. So we have 3a plus 4 times a negative 1 equal to 2. So 3a minus 4 equal to 2. Add 4. So 3a equals 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So a is equal to 2. And there's our answers. Okay? We just got to take our time. We don't have to be in a rush. Sometimes you have to multiply. Like on the next page, on 431 there, on the very top, example number 3, now it's with a fraction. But first of all, does anybody have any questions about doing this? Does anybody have any questions at all doing this? Any questions on this problem or the problem previous? Anybody got any questions? Last chance. Going once. Going twice. Nope. No. Nobody seems to have any questions. Okay, you can always review this online, so that'll work out nice. All right, so let me go into the last problem here, example number 3. Let me get rid of this again. Got my rig. All right. All right, here we go. We have the last problem, example number 3, over on page 431. I just saw somebody popped on. I don't know who it was, but if you just popped on, You should let me know who you are so I can give you credit for attendance. Okay, then here's the problem. 5x over 3 plus y equal to 7. And x plus y over 4 equal to 7 over 2. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. This is fairly easy to do. All you do is you get rid of what's on the bottom. If you remember, and we have a 3 on the bottom, so I'm going to multiply every number by 3 on this one. So the 3's cancel here. So I get 5x plus 3y. 3 times 7 is 21. That one is done. This one, you got a 4 and a 2 on the bottom. What number will they both go into? Well, they'll both go into 4. So we're going to multiply by 4. So we get 4x. 4's drop here, plus y. 2 goes into 4 twice, so 2 times 7 is 14. And now we have our problem ready to go, just like the previous 2 problems. We have a 5x plus 3y equal to 21 and a 4x plus y equal to 14. We're working with whole numbers. That's all you do to get rid of the fractions. And now that we're working with whole numbers, which one would I probably change? Well, if I'm looking at this, I got 5x plus 3y equal to 21, and I got 4x plus y equal to 14. Choose which one would you like to do. Are you going to do the x or the y? Everybody just type in an answer. Which one would you want to do, x or y? So type it in on the live chat, x or y. Okay, Tate Y, Joey Y. Bailey Y. Oh, Minty Y, Stormbreaker Y. Maddie Y. Oh, hey, right here, Luke says he's doing Y. Emily's a Y. Anybody else? Okay. Oh, Dino Albino finally woke up, but he's a Y. All right. Well, here's the deal. I would work with y's too because all we have to do is multiply the bottom by a -3. Because it's 3y and 1y, if we multiply by a -3, that should give it. So we get a -12x, we get a -3y, and a -3 times 14 is -42. Excuse me. All right, so that was easy. And we had 5x plus 3y equal to 21. Add them together, so we get a -7x equal to a -21. Divide by 7, -7 that is, so x is equal to +3. Plug it back into your first equation. 3 times 5 is 15. So you have 3y plus 15 equal to 21. Subtract 15. So 3y equal to 6. Divide by 3. So y is equal to 2. And it's just a matter of working it backwards. I know that was quick at the end, but we've already did a couple problems like it already. Well, that's our homework. That's the kind of work that we're doing today. Okay? If you look over on page 432 and 433, 432 and 433. Okay? Is there any questions about this? Anybody got any questions? I know we worked with it before we left school, but now we're hitting it back up again. All right. Well, your assignment, whether you like it or not, and it's due Friday at midnight. Okay? And some of you have turned in your assignment and some of you haven't yet. Remember, your worksheets are due tonight by midnight, so you need to get that in. All right. So anyway, here's what we got cooking today. I would like you to do 2 in the written exercises, 2 through 24 even. And notice the first 2 through 8 are from the oral exercises over on page 431. Just find your answers. I want your answers. Don't do what it says in the oral exercise part. Just take problem number 2 and solve it for A and B. Okay? So you're doing 2 through 24 even. That's 12 problems. Then look over on page 433. Okay? I would like you to do in the mixed practice 10 through 24 even. And that's just what we were just doing, 10 through 24 even. And the last few problems are multiplied by decimal. You have calculators. Okay? So, again, 2 through 24 even on page 432. And on page 433, 10 through 24 even in the mixed practice. Is there any questions from anybody? Anybody got any questions on the work? Okay. All right. All right. Well, anybody have any questions at all? Last chance. I'm letting you have a chance here. See, I'm a little patient because I know lag time on the computer or whatever comes back. All right. Well, if you guys have no questions whatsoever, then what I'm going to do, Tate, you're on. Yeah.